There's a moment when money stops stressing you out, not because you're rich, but because you're finally stable. And that moment usually starts at $20,000. Most people think you need 6 figures to feel secure. That's cap. Real financial freedom doesn't begin with millions. It begins when you stop living in panic mode. Here's what nobody tells you. Wealth doesn't grow smoothly. It grows in levels. There are invisible checkpoints where the rules change. Before them, everything feels hard. After them, progress speeds up. The first real checkpoint is $20,000. Below $20K, you're surviving. Every bill feels urgent. Every paycheck feels fragile. Every job feels like a trap. Your brain is stuck in survival mode. It's focused on today, not the future. But once you build a real cash buffer, a few months of expenses, everything changes. You stop asking, how do I get through this month? And start asking, how do I grow? That mental shift is powerful. Now let's talk numbers. Saving your first $20,000 is hard. It takes discipline. It takes saying no. It takes time. But once you hit it, momentum kicks in. Your money starts working with you. Returns stack on top of contributions. Progress accelerates. Same effort, better results. That's compound growth. Something else happens too. You stop stressing over small purchases. Coffee doesn't ruin your day. Groceries don't cause anxiety because you realize something important. Small expenses don't decide your future. Big decisions do. Housing, cars, income, investments. That's where real money is made. This milestone also changes how you show up at work. When you're broke, your job owns you. Bad boss, you stay. Low pay, you accept it. But $20K gives you leverage. You negotiate better. You take smarter risks. You walk away from bad deals. You don't even need to quit. Just knowing you could changes everything. Here's where most people mess up. They hit $20,000 and immediately spend it. New car, expensive vacation, lifestyle upgrade. That money isn't a reward, it's the foundation. Blowing it feels good short term. Keeping it pays off for decades. Let's be real. Most people spend more money on cars than it would take to become financially independent. Cars lose value. Investments grow. Money spent to look rich usually keeps you broke. Money invested quietly builds freedom. $20,000 won't make you rich, but it will buy you time, options, confidence, control. And those are the real building blocks of wealth. Start there, protect it, grow it. Your future self is counting on you.